Throughout its history, the Xinjiang region has been marked by a high degree of cultural exchange between East and West, due in part to its central location on the Silk Road. The Xinjiang Uyghur Muqam is the general term for a variety of Muqam practices widespread among the Uyghur communities, which form one of the largest ethnic minorities of the People's Republic of China. Xinjiang Uyghur Muqam includes songs, dances, folk and classical music, and is characterized by diversity of content, dance, musical styles and instruments used. The Xinjiang Uyghur Muqam has developed four main regional styles, namely the 12 Muqam, Dolan Muqam, Turpan Muqam and Hami Muqam. The songs vary in rhyme and meter, and are performed solo as well as by groups. The lyrics contain not only folk ballads, but also poems written by classical Uyghur masters. The songs therefore reflect a wide range of styles, such as poetry, proverbs and folk narrative, bearing witness to the history and contemporary life of Uyghur society. In Muqam ensembles, the lead instruments are made from local materials and vary in form, but include string instruments that are bowed or plucked, as well as wind instruments. The dances involve unique steps, rhythms and formations, as well as figures such as flower picking with the mouth, bowl carrying on the head, and imitation of animals in solo dances.